Okay, so we want to download Adobe Scan and take a picture of these documents that we have as a demonstration. So Rain will start now. Okay.
So I need to get Adobe Scan on my phone so they can take pictures of these receipts over here. Click on the Play Store first, and I don't want to try anything like that. I go to search for apps, and I want Adobe Scan. It popped in here. Alright, so there it is, Adobe Scan PDF, and I'm going to install it. It's fairly quick, I think. It's a free scanner. Click the open button and sign in with Google, Facebook. I'm going to use Google just because my phone is used to it. I'll choose my regular account, and then you have an agree to share your app activity and crash data so they can improve their apps. I don't want to learn more. Just hit continue. I'm signed in, and it says, it gives me a let go, and the scans will come in and be saved to the Adobe document cloud, and I have to provide permission to access the camera. So let's go. And do I allow it to take pictures and record video while using the app? I'll say yes, and it's ready to go. So when I'm ready to scan these documents, I will tap the screen. In the meantime, here I've got these receipts that need to be scanned, and I want to start with this receipt. So I'll just tap the screen, and it's looking for the document. There it is. Keep scanning. There's the next receipt, and it's capturing. I didn't even have to hit it. Okay. Also, bigger pages. Adjust and save. Okay, the adjust and save means I can make it like, I want to get the whole page in there. I just moved it like that, and then I'll keep scanning. Okay, this one. Says I'm supposed to hold steady, but I'm not real steady today. Capturing. All right, adjust and save. Well, I didn't want all of that. I'm just going to push this up here so that I didn't drag in the corners a little bit. This is what's going to be sent to Daniel for tax purposes. Not really, but that should work. And I'll do one more. Maybe part of this cookie recipe. Oh, maybe you want page 2. Oh, there we go. That one. Maybe a recipe. And that looks pretty good. Maybe I'll just squish it in there a little bit. And I have a chance to retake it too, but I'm not going to. And I'll just hit adjust and save. And then I have 4 scans here. Save your scan when you're finished reviewing. Okay, and I'll save these as PDFs. And this is the first time I've used this scanner. So I can keep scanning, start a new scan, but I'm going to just say that's good enough. That's all that needs to do right now. I have a chance to share it, put it in Adobe Acrobat, save it as a JPEG, which is pictures or more. I just want to share it. And anyone with access to the link can view it. I'm going to send this to Daniel as an email. So I want to send an email attachment. And make sure you use an attachment because then he'll get the documents. Otherwise, if you use a link, he'll have to access it a different way. I use Gmail. So I'm going to use this Gmail always. And now I just type in easy Okay, give me the rest of it.
Easy Tax Daniel, 662.
Easy Tax Daniel 662 at gmail.com, and send it.
Spelled right.
Oops. Excuse me. All right, and then send it. Okay, and that's it.